For a nice quick and fresh mint sauce, take one bunch of mint, this one was a 30-gram bunch, and then pick off all of the leaves. Next, chop up the leaves as finely as you can, or you can leave it chunky if you like, that is completely up to you. Place 50 milliliters of boiling water into a mixing bowl and then add in a pinch of salt, followed by 20 grams of caster sugar and 50 ml of red or white wine vinegar. Give it a stir until the salt and sugar dissolves, and then add in your chopped mint. Check the seasoning and adjust it with more vinegar, salt or sugar if needed, and leave it to cool, ready to use later.